making enough wind. Not yet. I wish the fan was bigger.
Boom! Zara May, second wish of the day. Shimmer and shine, wish granted divine. Now this fan should really make some wind. Excuse us, coming through.
Nice thinking, girls.
Anyone see Zita? There she goes. Come on, Nazboo.
Let's hurry, girls.
Zita, please stop.
Zita, please don't use any more wishes. The Carliana crystal's getting smaller, which means there can't be many left. And the big one is, well, too big for you.
Oh, please. No wish is too big for me. Carliana crystal, glow and shine. Grant a wish and make it mine. This has to be the big wish. I can feel its power. Wow. I am so tall. Wow! Yes! Yes! The power!
Oh no! Zita's huge! I guess the biggest wish ever made in Zara May Falls was to grow really big.
This isn't good at all.
Yes, Zita's already enough trouble when she's normal size.
I did it. I got the big wish.
Zita big and scary.
Scary, powerful.
Whoa! Whoa! I could wish to make her smaller.
Sorry, Leah. Since Zita used a wish to get big, you can't use wish magic to make her small.
Now that I'm big, let's see just how powerful I can be.
There's got to be a way to shrink her. Come on!
I'm big, I'm huge, I'm powerful, it's true! I got the biggest wish of all. Oh yeah, I'm taking over Zara May Falls. Jewelry and potions, they're mine, all mine. Making waves in the ocean, one stomp at a time. I'm big and powerful, and it's so wonderful. I can do anything, just look at me, I'm pulling up trees. So powerful, immensely magical. Couldn't wish for better, it's the best thing ever. I'm big, I'm huge, I'm powerful, it's true!
Whoa! The tower!
Great job, girls.
Ugh, this is so fun! Now, what else can I do? I know! I'll move into Samira's palace! I'm so big, there's no way she can stop me.
Oh no! Now Zita's heading towards your palace, Samira.
Aha! Samira's palace. And it's all mine. Time to move in.
Zita too big.
Well, if I can't move into her palace, then I'll just take her magical gems out of it.
Oh no! My palace!
Samira's gem collection! We've got to stop her!
Oh, wait! That's it! The size gem! We can use this!
Wonderful idea, Shine.
Go get her, sis! Okay, Zita, troublemaking time is over. With the size gem in my hand, I make you shrink at my command.
You think you can... Wow! What? No! I'm shrinking! No!
Zita size again.
Woohoo! Lamb!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.
Boom, Zara May.